This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about the drawing. Do you like drawing?
Yes, I enjoy drawing, though I'm not very skilled at it. I find it relaxing and a great way to express my creativity. Even simple sketches make me feel accomplished and happy.
Do you like to go to the gallery?
Yes, I enjoy visiting galleries when I have the chance. It's inspiring to see how artists convey emotions and ideas through their work. Plus, galleries offer a peaceful environment to appreciate beauty and creativity.
Do you want to learn more about art?
Absolutely. Art is fascinating because it reflects culture and history. I'd love to explore different styles and techniques and maybe even learn how to paint or sculpt one day.
Did you learn drawing when you were a kid?
Yes, I had basic drawing lessons in school, and I enjoyed them a lot. We used crayons and watercolors to create simple artwork, which was always fun and creative.
What type of art do you like the most?
I enjoy paintings the most, especially landscapes and abstract art. They allow me to imagine different stories and emotions, making the experience very personal and meaningful.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a time when you received good service from a staff member in a shop. You should say when it happened, what the shop was, what the staff member did, and explain why you were satisfied with the service.
One memorable experience of receiving excellent service happened about 6 months ago at a local bakery near my home. It's a small, family run shop known for its freshly baked bread and pastries, which always smell amazing as you walk in. I had gone there to buy some cakes for a friend's birthday and wanted something special. The staff member, a young woman, was incredibly polite and attentive. I wasn't sure what to buy, so she patiently explained the different options and even let me taste a couple of samples. She suggested a beautifully decorated chocolate cake that fit my budget and occasion perfectly. What really stood out was her effort to customize the cake with a happy birthday message in my friend's name, which she wrote with care. She also packed the cake beautifully and gave me tips on how to store it until the party. On top of that, she gave me a discount as a first-time customer, which was a pleasant surprise. Her warm and cheerful attitude made the whole shopping experience enjoyable and left a lasting impression on me. I was really satisfied with the service because it went beyond my expectations. She didn't just sell me a cake, she made me feel valued as a customer. That kind of attention to detail and friendly approach made me recommend the bakery to several friends. It's rare to come across such genuinely helpful staff these days, and it left a lasting impression on me.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of the customer service. Why is good customer service important in shops?
Good customer service makes customers feel valued and encourages them to return. It creates a positive shopping experience and helps build trust and loyalty between the shop and its customers. When customers are satisfied, They are more likely to recommend the shop to others, boosting its reputation.
What qualities should a good shop assistant have?
A good shop assistant should be friendly, attentive, and knowledgeable about the products. They should also be patient and able to handle different types of customers professionally. Being proactive in helping customers find what they need can make the shopping experience much smoother. Additionally, good communication skills and a positive attitude can leave a lasting impression on customers.
How has customer service changed over the years?
Customer service has improved significantly with the use of technology. Now, many shops offer online support, live chats, and self checkout options to make shopping more convenient. Despite these advancements, personal interaction and good manners are still essential for creating a great customer experience. Additionally, companies now focus more on gathering customer feedback to continually enhance their services.
Why do some shops struggle with providing good customer service?
Some shops struggle due to insufficient staff training or high employee turnover. When staff lack the skills or motivation to engage with customers, it can lead to poor service. Additionally, understaffed shops may find it hard to give each customer the attention they deserve, causing dissatisfaction.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.